Difference between line managers and staff managers. The main difference between line managers and staff managers lies in their roles, responsibilities, and their relationship with the employees in an organization. What are line managers? Line managers, also known as direct managers, have the following characteristics. They are responsible for achieving the organization's main goals by executing key tasks. They have direct authority over workers in their department or line of service. They are involved in day-to-day operations and directly contribute to producing the organization's goods or services. They make decisions that impact their department's performance and productivity. What are staff managers? Staff managers are responsible for provide support, advice, and expertise to line managers. They do not have direct authority over the company's workers but influence the organization through their specialist knowledge and advice. They are involved in indirect background tasks that help the organization run smoothly. They make decisions that impact their area of expertise, such as HR, finance, or IT. Key differences between line managers and staff managers. Main role. The main role of line managers is to execute key tasks and manage direct reports. On the other hand, the main role of staff managers is to provide support and advice. Authority. The line managers have direct authority over workers, whereas the staff managers have no direct authority over workers. Involvement. The line managers are involved in day-to-day operations, while the staff managers are involved in indirect background tasks. Decision making. Line managers' decision making impact department's performance. On the other hand, staff managers' decision making impact area of expertise. Conclusion. Line managers are directly involved in achieving the organization goals, whereas staff managers provide the necessary support and advice to help line managers and the organization achieve these goals. Thank you for watching this video.